Start in mountain pose by rolling your shoulders up and back with palms facing forward. Inhale as you squat, keeping your knees and thighs parallel to the ground. Raise your arms with palms facing each other. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from the ears and your weight should transfer back towards your heels. Exhale as you fold forward, hinging at the hips, keeping a slight bend in the knees. You can use this opportunity to shake your head, yes and no, letting go of all those things that no longer serve you. Inhale with a halfway lift, keeping your hands below your knees and gaze to the top of the mat. Exhale, bringing both hands to the mat with fingers spread apart, extending your legs behind you for a strong high plank. Be prepared to engage the core, keeping your elbows close to your body as you come down for a four-limb staff. Come down on your belly, keeping your hands under your shoulders and elbows close to your body. Lift your torso till you feel a comfortable stretch. Roll back for a down dog, keeping a slight bend in the knees for those of you with tight hamstrings. Pedal out your legs, taking several deep breaths. Be sure your hands are shoulder width apart and feet hip width distance apart, keeping your gaze towards your navel. When you're ready, find stillness. Lift your right leg up, bringing it down next to your right hand. Inhale as you reach your arms up towards the sky with palms facing each other. Your back foot should be pointing to the top left corner of the mat, and be sure to keep your hips square to the front of the mat. Cartwheel your arms to the ground, bringing your right leg back for a strong high plank. Now, instead of a four-limb staff, come down on your knees, chest, and chin. Stay on your belly, coming up for a cobra, keeping your hands under your shoulders and elbows close to your body. Lift till you feel a comfortable stretch. Roll back for another down dog. Adjust yourself, then find stillness. We're going to do the opposite side now. So you're going to lift your left leg up, bringing it down next to your left hand. Inhale as you sweep your arms up overhead with palms facing each other. Keep your hips square to the front of the mat. Cartwheel your arms down, bringing your left leg back for a strong high plank, keeping your weight in your hands and toes. Come down on knees, chest, and chin, then up for another cobra. Roll back for another down dog, keeping your hands shoulder distance apart and your feet hip width distance apart, and take several deep breaths. Bring both feet to the top of the mat. Inhale for a half lift, bringing your hands below your knees and gaze to the top of the mat. Exhale for a forward fold, keeping a slight bend in the knees. Inhale as you sweep your arms up for your final chair pose with palms facing each other. Be sure you're squatting so that your thighs and knees are parallel to the ground, and keep your shoulders relaxed. Bring your arms down and straighten out your legs for a mountain pose. If you were in class, you'd be preparing for your next flow.